Hello, this is Sergeant Farmer Edu Abibio. I'm grateful for those who are commenting, sharing, and liking my videos. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. Kindly continue to share, like, and follow my videos for more updates. Okay, so today is their 27th day. Yes, they are 27 days old, and they are supposed to be much more bigger than this, but it's due to the insufficiency of feeding. I'm not feeding them properly here because I'm not able to afford the feeding cost. Okay. Niame pache nyina ne se mo na eso nkomo didi kra since ananso eso mo ye kese kra since timi feedi won ye but o manya 27 days. Apart from that, no, I'm waiting so increase day by day. Inti eguso. Make cassava vaccination, any medication in my next video. Kindly like, share, and follow my videos. Thank you.